To Narisaki, and today let's see how to sprout chickpeas. Listen to each and every instructions. Healthy sprouted chickpeas. So first, check for any stones or dirt you may have in the dried chickpeas, and then rinse this with water 2 to 3 times, and then soak it. So whatever is stuck, any fertilizer or chemical is used, it will go away. So I've rinsed it 2 to 3 times. The water should be about 4 times. So if you have taken 1 cup of chickpea, take at least 3 to 4 times of water. Keep it aside for 8 to 10 hours. And this is what we have. Beautiful. They are doubled in size and nicely soaked, soft. So now you can either steam it this way or sprout it. Drain all the water which is drained. I use it to water my plants. Tilt the strain a little bit so that way all the water comes out. We don't want it to be completely dry, but we don't want water in there. And I just cover it. I'm going to throw out the water which is in the pot. Cover it and keep it in a warm, dark place. So it's nighttime here, and this is where I cook. So there's a lot of heat here, so I'm going to keep it here. Check for the dryness in between. So these are the initial sprouts after 10 hours. So initial sprouts may take time depending on the quality of seed. So if they become little bit slimy or it may smell, especially chickpeas, other lentils don't, but chickpeas will, that is the time you rinse them with water. Even if you're using it for cooking or you want to keep it for sprouting for another few hours, rinse it with water, remove all the water. And for sprouting, you can also cover in a cloth or put it in a bottle, jar, glass jar. Do sprouting the way you want. But here with chickpeas, I take this strainer because there is airflow and all the water is drained out. So the slimy texture which gives the chickpeas, and that is less. So this is after another 12 hours. The sprouts are so big. You can use it in salads, steam it, use it for stir fries, anything you want. It's so beautiful. And always remember, if it's sticky, then always wash it very nicely with water. You can wash it in the sink if you want. And you can wash it and store it in a refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. You can cook it and freeze it also. If you store the chickpeas, make sure you put a paper napkin around it and sprouts and store it, and don't store it for too long because it doesn't take much time to make this. So let me know if you have any questions. Eat healthy, stay happy. Bye.